Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a 5-minute waltz challenge. Alrighty guys, we are going to start with a few exercises of rise and fall and also how we open and close our arms. Get ready. We're gonna go down. We have 1, 2, 3, up, 1, 2, 3, down, 1. Up. Very good. Keep this up. Bending the knees when you're down, and when you're up on the toes. Very good. Make sure your stomach is pulled in nice and tight. You have a long neck, long spine. Make sure you're looking straight in front of you. Very good. We're gonna do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. We're going to open the arms. Open and down. Open and down. Open and down. We're going to hold it for a little longer. Open and hold. And come down. Hold. Open and hold. Make sure your arms are rounded and they're in front of you. Down. Open. Hold. And down. Open and hold. Down. Open and hold. Down. Okay, get ready. We're gonna do the rise and fall with the arms and we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Close, open. Close, open. Close, open. Close, open. Close, open. Close, open. Now hold it up there. Hold it. Very good. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Very good. We're just gonna hold our arms down for now, and we are going to go forward and back, close change, starting with our right foot. 2 forward, 2 back. Here we go. We're gonna go forward, side, forward, side, back, side, back, side, forward, side, forward, side, back, side, back, side. Forward side. Very good. Focusing on that rise and fall. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Very good. Very good, and stop, arms open, and go. back, and back, and done. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.